see. It must be very beautiful.
Oh, Kyoto is a very pretty city.
The prettiest in the country, so they say. The capital of the nation in its day.
You think we'll find our tour there?
We'll find your tour for sure there.
Then come on, Barkley, let's be on our way. We're off to Kyoto like Dorothy and Toto. We've really got to go or else we'll miss the plane. We're off to Kyoto, 300 miles or so. I've got feathers, he's got fleas.
I speak Japanese.
Your ears hang low, do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Do they dangle to your toes? Can they wrap around your nose? Do your ears hang low? Wow! Noisy carrot!
Cats have short, pointy ears, and they keep them very clean.
Meow! Still not clean.
Got 6 cookies and boy me feeling grand. 6 cookies in this dish here in me hand. 6 cookies and me happy as can be, though they not take that away from me.
Oh, hi, Cookie. Gee, I couldn't help but notice you got 6 cookies here in your plate. I know you won't mind because I'm so hungry if I just help myself to 3 of them. Thanks a lot.
Wait. Oh.
Was a time when I did not eat cereal. Oh no, I had never tasted it, had never tried it. So then one day my dad said, have some cereal with me. Cereal tastes really good and it's healthful, you see. I said I taste it, I'll give it a whirl, and now I am a cereal girl.
Akadevki Jekyll the Knock first to says it's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Akadevki Jekyll the Knock first to says I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle it gets awful queer to me. Akadevki Jekyll the Knock first to says if I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. I'll show you the world, there's so much to see. I'll show you a flower, I'll show you a tree, and how the stars sparkle, and how the moon glows. I'll show you a twuck, I'll show you your toes. I'll show you the world, there's so much to do.
Elmo visits the firehouse. Yay! This is Elmo's friend Susan, and guess what? She's a firefighter.
Hi.
Oh, Susan is going to show us what to do if there's a fire. Elmo was just in Hooper's store when there was a fire.
Yes, you were, Elmo.
Yeah.
And what did you do?
Oh, well, Elmo had to get low and go like this. Who could that be? Come in.
Want to talk to a firefighter?
Oh, boy! Elmo can talk to his friend, Firefighter Richard. Yay!
Don't forget us!
Oh, yeah! Elmo can talk to everybody. you, firefighters. I love you.
And single, single, double. Single, single, double. Asian, nice bow. You're gonna feel the energy real slow. And you're gonna sit into it. Silly Willy! Tap into it. Toe, toe, heel, heel, brush back. And sway, and out.
Hi, Elmo.
What's going on, Big Bird?
Well, Elmo, we know you're very busy getting ready for your countdown. But listen to this. Oh, get ready, Birdie. Hey, if you know this, sing along, okay? She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. You're coming round the mountain when she comes.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yeah! The wheels on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back. Move on back, good, move on back. The driver on the bus said, move on back, all through the town. That's the doors. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town.
First you clap your hands, then you stomp your feet. It's a very simple dance to do. You guys are great, you guys are really good dancers. I didn't know how good you were. Wait, I forgot to tell you, there's another little step or two. Hey guys, you'll turn around and touch your toes. It's a very simple dance to do. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, turn around and touch.
Let's do a dance that's called the jelly. Jiggle to the beat, arms and legs and belly. Jiggle head to feet until you feel like